In this video, we want to form three-digit numbers using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The first question is, how many are even numbers? So all we need to do is have the last digit be an even number. So the only two choices are going to be 2 or 4. So there's two choices. For the first digit, any of the 5 digits can be used. We don't really care. And the same thing with the tens place. So the hundreds place, we said there's 5 digits. The tens place is 5 digits, and then the units place is just 2 digits. So we have 5 times 5 times 2 is 50. Now we want to see how many are greater than 250. So the first case, let's consider the hundreds digit to be bigger than 2. So the three choices are 3, 4, and 5. So those 3 choices for the hundreds digit, and we don't really care about the tens or the units, so that we can just have any of the 5 there. So you have 3 times 5 times 5 is 75. Now, if we consider the hundreds digit to be 2, we need to figure out which one of these is bigger than 250. So we want x and y to be bigger than 50. Obviously, the biggest number is 5. So x has to be 5. So then we need to figure out what choices work for y. Clearly, if y is 1, that's 251. That works. If y is 2, that's 252. That works as well. So we have, so let me just write this down. So you have 251, 252, 253, 254, and then 255. So all 5 of these work. So there's 5 choices for the units digit. So right now we have, well, there's going to be just these 5 that work. So there's 5 choices altogether with a hundreds digit of 2. So we have 75 from those that are, the hundreds digit is 3, 4, and 5. And then 5 from the hundreds digit being 2. So 75 plus 5 is 80. And that's our final answer.